Have you ever traveled to a new place and suddenly felt sick, tired, or just weird? Maybe the food tastes different, your skin breaks out, or you are just not feeling like yourself. Why does that happen? And is there a phrase for that in Chinese? Well, today you are going to learn a powerful and very common used Chinese idiom. 水土不服, pronounced 水土不服. It perfectly captures that feeling of not adapting to a new environment, physically, emotionally, or even culturally. Stick with me, and I'll show you what it means, where it comes from, and how to use it like a native. Before we jump in, do me a quick favor. Hit that like button, and comment below to let me know you are watching. It really helps the channel, and tells me you are into learning Chinese in a smarter and deeper way. Let's start with what 水土不服 literally means. 水 means water. 土 means soil land. 不 means not. 服 means to adapt to be compatible with. So together, 水土不服 literally means the water and soil don't suit you. Originally, this idiom described travelers who got sick when they arrived in a new place because of unfamiliar water, food, bacteria, or climate. Imagine visiting a new province and getting a stomachache right after your first meal. That's water and soil not suiting you. But in modern Chinese, it goes way beyond just food or health. Today, 水土不服 is used metaphorically too. Let's say someone changes schools and suddenly struggles to focus. Or they move abroad and feel emotionally lost, even though everything seems fine on paper. That emotional mismatch. That's also 水土不服. It's your mind, not just your body, saying, something here just doesn't feel right. Let's go through 3 quick examples. Example 1, health related. 他刚来北方，吃不惯这边的饭菜，有点水土不服。He just got to northern China and isn't used to the food, he's feeling a bit 水土不服。Example 2, business context. 这家外国公司在中国市场水土不服，最后撤出了。This foreign company couldn't adapt to the Chinese market and eventually pulled out. Example 3, emotional adjustment. 他在老学校一直成绩很好，但换了城市之后突然水土不服。She used to do great in school, but after switching cities, she struggled to adjust. Classic case of 水土不服. As you can see, it can be about your body, your business, or your brain. So how do you use 水土不服 in daily conversation? It's super flexible. You can use it playfully when a friend gets sick on a trip. Haha, looks like you are 水土不服. Or seriously, when someone is struggling to adapt at work, in a relationship, or in a new country. The key idea is, the environment isn't fitting the person, not the other way around. So it's never about blaming, it's about mismatch. Now, is there an equivalent phrase in English? Kind of, maybe you've heard. Fish out of water or, not feeling like myself. But honestly, only 水土不服 captures how your body, mind, and surroundings all clash at once. That's what makes this idiom uniquely Chinese. It reflects how environment, water, soil, culture, vibe, can affect everything from health to happiness to success. Understanding idioms like this gives you more than just vocabulary. You gain insight into how people think, live, and feel in a different culture. Alright, let's wrap it up. 水土不服, literally, the water and soil don't suit you. It describes that uneasy feeling of not fitting into a new environment. Whether that's physical, emotional, or cultural. You can use it in personal conversations, business, or even casual jokes. So next time someone says I'm just not feeling it, you can drop this idiom and sound like a native. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments. Where was the last place you felt 水土不服? Thanks for watching, and see you next time for more idioms that bridge language and culture.